is a folding phone from BackMarket, and we're about to find out if it was a very expensive mistake. I've just spotted this and I'm about to buy the most expensive and probably the riskiest phone I've ever bought. It's a folding phone from BackMarket at a very good price, so I've got to buy it quick because I'm sure somebody else will snatch this unit up. This is the Z Fold, sorry Queen, it's the Z Fold. They are phenomenally expensive new, and even on the refurbished market pretty damn expensive. And it's risky because these phones are a bit fault prone with their folding displays in the middle, so to buy such an expensive phone used, you don't know how it's been treated. Maybe not the brightest idea. I'm genuinely quite nervous. I guess we'll find out. This is BackMarket where I'm buying from, and if you're not familiar with them, the short version is they're a marketplace for refurbishers to list their items, and theoretically BackMarket themselves are meant to provide a layer of security and consistency. That's their job. Sellers get to set the prices themselves, hence a lot of fluctuations, and this deal over here. This is the Z Fold 3, and it's probably the sweet spot currently in the folding lineup, sort of age versus price. These are usually somewhere between 500 and 600 quid on BackMarket currently. So at 450 it's a good deal, and it's meant to be in excellent condition, so it's really a no-brainer. One other note is I've never bought above fair condition on BackMarket before, which is their lowest tier, and mostly I've been really impressed with the fair condition ones and have seen no need to go above that, but to be honest, my most recent purchase was an iPhone Mini 12, and it wasn't that great. It was fair, but no better than fair. I feel with a phone like this, which is a little bit more fragile, the folding phones, I am very pleased to be getting this one in their best condition, the full excellent. I'm not sure if I'd buy it in only fair. It arrived! I really can't believe how fast this came. I ordered it yesterday afternoon and it's here today, which is insane. That's like Amazon Prime. Faster, in fact. They weren't always this fast, but this is the fastest by probably at least a full day. It's quite a dense little package, but enough from my CV. It's got a bit of a rattle too. A little bit of a trend with BackMarket packaging, it would seem. The moment of truth. Let's open it. Pull tab. Ooh, a BackMarket branded box. You gotta be kidding, the phone is loose in here. A cable, and that's all besides the phone in a bag. No bubble wrap or padding. Oh, and a metal SIM tool, directly on the screen. Shocking, honestly. Oh well, cable feels okay, bog standard. Now the phone itself, shiny shiny. Fingerprint reader on the power button. Let's open her up. Triple camera setup on the back. What? It's got protective films on the edges still. This isn't excellent condition. This is new. Oh well, no complaints. Let's get this set up and then take a closer look. Okay, it's all set up now. Wow, this is massive. It's awesome, but I think it's going to take some getting used to. Previously, I've been impressed for the most part with BackMarket's fair condition phones. So you think, well, how much better can an excellent condition one be? And I think the answer is brand new. This one really is, as far as I can tell, completely new. I'm really pleased with this. I don't know why the price was so low, but I'm just glad I grabbed it while I could. I'm not going to review this phone now. It's an older phone that's been done a couple of years ago. But as these foldables finally reach affordable, at least in the refurbished market, there are some considerations. Largely, the massive screen. What it's like to use, especially if you're coming from a non-foldable phone, and the potential problems and durability issues that the big screens unfortunately have a tendency to develop. So first, what's it like to use the massive screen? The answer is it's brilliant. I'm an absolute sucker for a larger screen. I've been using this Xiaomi with my script on since 2017 because I haven't found a larger one. It's not to say that there aren't larger screens, but when you get them in your hand, you quickly realize that diagonal measurements isn't all there is to screen size. The width and shape of the screen also play a major part in how useful that space is. As an extreme example, compare the outside screen of this Z Fold when watching a YouTube video, technically measuring 6.2 inches to the 6.4 of this Xiaomi phone. So when I realised that these folding phones might be the holy grail to my quest for the most ridiculously gargantuan phone I can stuff in my pocket, I was expecting a reasonably modest improvement because, frankly, I'm already used to such a giant phone. But now I've got it in my hand, I can say that no, it's a pretty massive improvement. Sure, the videos can only be slightly larger, but the rest of that extra screen size, it's like having a tablet in your pocket. So the next consideration is durability. There have been many reported problems with this giant screen, particularly with its special pre-installed screen protector cracking or bubbling up. And if something goes wrong, you are meant to go to a Samsung repair centre and arrange a technician to replace it for you. Something I'm pretty sure will cost you if you haven't bought directly from them, or at least if you've bought from a refurbisher. And while it may not be exorbitant, it's still an extra cost and bother. Is the special screen protector we've been talking about covered by BackMarket's warranty? It's not clear, and I've got a nasty feeling it may not be. I really hope to not find out. The final consideration is value, and sure, you can get a faster, newer phone from BackMarket if you're not looking at foldables for the same price, or even less, but should you? So I really wasn't sure when buying, but now I've got it in my hand, it's convinced me. It's like a phone and mini tablet all in one, and I don't think there's anything else like it, so I think it's worth it. In all, this purchase, especially the seller, has been a bit of a mixed bag, as is so often the case on BackMarket. It was cleanly the fastest shipping yet, but with appalling packaging. I still can't believe that they left this banging around inside, and putting the metal SIM tool on the screen to scratch it potentially. I really can't believe that they'd do that.
I can't believe you've done this.
But it's in excellent condition, even for excellent condition, and the price was great too. In conclusion, I'm very happy with this purchase, and if you spot an excellent condition one at a reasonable price, I say go for it.